twabogete komine ibere chama byangari koria rero aho mugiro bwa bari of course no nyarete korarigwa oyo o kagergo chakari koria rero korengo botkobokera rero egekera ngatwa twariro botukanune chitangu keigo bari bakupe tubatebire sisi tumeanza manda. I don't know what atasema mwenyewe. Sisi tuko maandamano, wale wengine wamesema sisi the nut batebire sisi atwendi mugomo. Who is is where, why is who, whatever, where we want the 5 W's and the 1 H. Who, where, why, how, when. Good morning.
Good morning.
Karibu sana.
Nashukuru Mungu.
Nilikuacha mkipanga drama na sports kuja Kisii County.
Definitely.
Zili happen, we're going to...
Kabisa.
I don't know if your expectations were met, but kama mkwanilio moligeria motebi na kiokoro kwa kanya
mancho moligeria nchenkoro kwa maticha Samuel. Igo nchino mwalimu ogosomia secondary school Ayora. Secondary school.
Yes.
Ayora igo toka bogirango matega aliase Tago sub county. Arafu yande nchini gondo mokonyi bo munyakerogo wekiombe gya Kupet.
Asturusage rwa
Gusi.
Okay. Now karibu sana. Kunyarego sanga sobwamu na mange sana berga kunyarego koleka na sector yeti semi. Aitura kunyarego kwanire mambia rero, and that is why we are here. Likuria rero tuskuru nko igorukire. Zinafunguliwa ama zifunguliwe?
Kolengana ne ministry tuskuru nko igorukire.
All right.
Kolengana ne union yetu ya Kupet zuguru ntoliko igor.
Wow. Now, ndubwate ministry yeti semi. Tukamenya gutwara TSC. Then there is not an Kupet. Kupet nkeze neze. Then to shake yemasayemo.
Kupet igetene tabali mu bonsi Village Secondary School. Amonage College.
Okay.
Yeah.
Post-primary education.
Yes. Post-primary bonsi. Bantu bonsi bagasomia, bagasomia. As school talicha primary. Uchiaburo.
No, CDC.
Yes.
We have junior secondary.
Those are not primary, those are secondary.
So mumeanzia hapo.
Yeah.
Wachana na ile ya kufika class 8 mnaanzia secondary.
Wana bali mubale Kenyuti, bali wasomwe ka gracie mo, oisana.
Okay.
Ochiabu abajire junior school secondary. Wana abuna members baitu. Abudai primary.
Is it a rule? Igoti mkonyora mwalimu secondary ole under NAT.
Abakemono. I don't think it's an arrow.
What is the difference? Kupet na NAT.
Umanyete umuralia. Needs ya bali secondary school. Nechi ngao na working environment yao ngao. Na primary school na working environment yao. Na needs yao ngao. Oise kuli ya serikali yoka. Njara the guideline. Career progression guidelines. Na wanyine ya primary yere ngao. Na ne ya secondary yere ngao. Wano ndoiko ba union yamo. And of course kore ntu alenge union yamo. Lakini tokanyoranga union ya aliko rukeni uti njale wa address expectations chia abali mbaga so secondary school abali mbaga so college abali mbaga so polytechnics yani ji institutes abali mbaga so TVETs njale ngekonyara ko address. Yeah.
Wow, ningani komanyanga, why have all these unions in say area bulidia Chisemi, TSC, NAT, Kupet, why have all this? But karibu sana mwancho moligererio Kisii TV mambia lero somoro biro bwenyoni. Of course nte to kwandrego ryo mogiro bwabalimu. Ngikoligereriga iga ase chigazeti cheito. This is what the headlines read. In fact no kwarengega iga ekere twarenge gwetera. Egazeti ya The Standard ego tebanga crisis in schools. Wacha batebanga whereas primary school teachers will be in class today, their secondary school colleagues have vowed to stay away. This coupled with risks of mpox, parents struggling with school fees, and administrators disgruntled with capitation, a return to school has been complicated. Of which the whole year what it has been like. January, remember, shule zilichelewa kufunguka. You remember?
May the same.
The second
floods,
one, the same. Term 3, we're about to have the same situation. Ekere tuwa ngangani sana kwa ile calendar back to normal. Unajua ilifika paka term 1 inaanza August.
COVID, yeah.
Yes. Now, they're back to normal. And we want to go back to the, do we want to go back to the same? Now, Mr. Samuel Maticha, Vice Chair Kupet, give me overview. Yeah, the key issues. Why? Mutete kwenda somo.
Biamono Moralia. Ntage tengore ni maiga keigo igoro ya mangana ya bete igoro na rero ya goteba ngabali ba primary school ba ne class bakale aba secondary school mbali class o manyaiga ken yuti njako te ofo mogomo asingenje serikali ya address ri demands chabali.
Okay,
abuna onda do manyero demands chabali still serikali ta agora traji address. Esa babu yo kabagoro defo magomo ne ringa nja ata serikali ya notice yo magomo.
So, not abate ne timo girobo esegintu bata
ata serikali ya notice igo.
Wakambiwa mukupeana notice ya
mwana ngimako ba mera mwarwete notice na ande keromako goma mogomo go ikobe anchored in obe supported by the law. Mwa serikali notice una elie secretary general ya Itakero Misoli arwe arigeto jasa serikali on 19th of August 7 days notice. Serikali ba wenga bari mbaje bako meto ta address ati demands chiaba. Go hono kolenga na Ken Yuti te serikali notice yo mogomo na kinta geta bari mu bamanyenga ki Ken Yuti nga bari mu ba demands chiaba je ikere ni wona serikali ya Ken Yuti yaro jena kinga kitoja kokoro to ndo mogomo otali supported neli chiko wono bagakaraki bagatera ngabonti atoratiga lakini abari mu demands chiaba bari serikali teraji address.
I saw some people say ngambaro che ekwerende egekabwe ku State House. Ekagenda kuchia sichia not. So it is not true.
Magomo is not all about money. Talinga nechibesa money is not everything. It's not all about money. Conditions of service. Conditions of service, fairness and justice, respect kuchia so mwalimu. It's not all about money. Yangoko tayinde bintu biko geratoko ganda mogomo.
And some of us, some of the people naro chabako tayabanga walimu tunawasupport kabisa juu tushakula school fees. Tukanyanga hapo tunapigania haki zenu na nyinyi. But at the same time, you know, Mr. Samuel, gone are the times tinga kichirichia Wilson Sossion, you know, when we you know ukanoko banga okorovekana, it was an enigma, I can say so. Ekera Sosiora Teveringa, we are going to strike, used to mean business. And they are going to sit down and talk after like 2 weeks. Zimeenda chini to watu wamegoma like vizuri kabisa wamemba solidarity forever. Maandamano bado mapambano. Ndo sasa tuongee. That is what it used to mean. Ukisikia kuna maandamano ya walimu. I remember I was affected back in 2011. Nikiingia class kufanya KCPE akaekelea strike pale. Nikifanya KCSE akitenda kulikuwa na mambo mengine, we had to go home. When we were in Form 4. So we know what teachers strike yarengekoreta that energy. In fact, we couldn't even consider Kogende school. Why are we not feeling that energy? Maybe are we saying that the issues must to address they aren't?
Chire very weighty. Lakini ndio tabiga. Modern unionism mumetense chenjira. We are undergoing evolution. And modern unionism is different from the way we were dealing with issues. In completely different environment dia ngao odil na bantaba hao odil na banto babuata different objectives chobo gimobo omaete nyorenga mheshimiwa Mheshimiwa Matiang'i kera lenge Minister Education lilia kero Uhuru Kenyatta lenge President ba coordinate pi
I remember
bakayekora so enjere okudini na serikali ya matukaya tebuwe kaini enjere okudini na serikali ya kale but however picketing na gokora mogomo asengencho ye yo gotaisana kane ne binte serikali gokora is still anchored in law and we are still up for the task. And abantu maite baroba change. So that is why timaiti go sekar na jide studio na gotabe tina dogodi na serikali. Serikali dogodi naro in different ways. Maite bano mogomo le last resort. Serikali to ko negotiate naro. Kro mwa gambira naro mwa deposit agreement with the industrial court. Yaba binding. Muna bono dio mheshimiwa Ruta tabetenga komentanda balimu percentage kete yo moshahara ya bete president. Ntuwe to akola tu sign the agreement na barabo. To ga the agreement ye to ko deposit with the court. Ebe binding ekiagera ta ko ba road side declaration nga na amend jibase na ba ko ba road side declaration nga tiniko amend. You know one again to mheshimiwa government ya Kenya ye bete dia declare tanga na amend jibase ji ntutu ajeto sign agreement to ga deposit agreement yali with the industrial court e ka ba binding bona ka ba go tabe likuwa ramo isonde parliament ya tabanga ya withdraw some money chokomento mushahara saba abalimu kurwa se budget. We had to remind them through our representatives saying aki eyentege moko kana is binding and then get a binding and then get in court. That is when serikali ya jetekoli ya raising obe mbore yentege mbora dabana bangaini mate kupe di ebuata professionals anda bangaini. So agatanga wane yentege mbora nabogera terera
no te go tichorera na tia makara
diga to kola nagi tiga to liris chibeza chigende go effect salary increment. But this strike here thoko genda is not all about salaries ya balimu.
Okay.
It's all about the confirmation of 46,000 junior school teachers were on internship for 2 years.
I heard the president say last night ameandika walimu 50,000.
President amesema vitu vingapi? 46,000 na bubali getu on internship. Lakini bono ntwege ntono getu chande tena TSC na serikali ya Kenya. TSC is like a professional body. Nkibatali ko yera era professionally, yani professionally to abantu bamanyanga this is a professional body, each professionals and have managed professionally in terms of employment, in terms of remuneration, in terms of promotions, in terms of transfers professionally.
Now, muko na issues na TSC ama na serikali ama TSC ndo serikali?
TSC ndio serikali.
Okay.
Yes. TSC is our employer. TSC na employer yetu. Bara a body professionally. In terms of promotion of junior school teachers. But abanga balimu balikiro on internship. A president ya ende sukuru state house girls ya tabanga ngamali ya balimu bara on board of management terms mbalike mba maruwe permanent and pensionable. Abalimu bande bali junior school. A minister education ya enda matanga ebwata maruve. Ya tabanga wana maruba ya ntagete kwa abantu on permanent unumu bwekano woni go chiko ndia lengo mpio tene na fa matanga otabanga nje na eto maruba 100 dinko ira abantu be constituency yana ko ku permanent and pensionable.
We saw that happen in Kisii?
Yes. Abali mu bande baro on internship ba chande getega for 12 years ba waka no 17,000 waka no enyomba 12,000 timaithinga kibakali ku manage chibese chichabo. So there is no law ichikondiyo gabo. Tojege ntokende ngere getoko kwa ine sababu yamo toko kwamera mwango yankwa roche code ya ruletinga TSC tebwati mandate yoko likabana on internship ekasi yaye is to employ employee abana on permanent onye bono lichikolire bali bekeri law atabana ki buna yarenge ense korokunga ense ya Fidel Castro Cuba. Cuba ere lichikonga kero kwa kolire school iko kusaba on internship mwaka yomo omwaka volunteer kwanza akora on internship omanye koliko kebe lichiko mmoja kwenye montondo etere maega oligiro boniga abantu bana mande bakoreta esukuru 2016 2015 2014 mbaraligo omwana okoreta esukuru 2022 igabwate employment permanent and pensionable insekie bono tomenya. This is our country enenze ya ito twalilichiko ensege ebe governed by the law. bona inere sababu yemo to goraki to gomera to in solidarity na bana bali ba 46,000 batara employed on permanent and pensionable serikali TS address clear guidelines nga kiyo ko ba employ na ndi kwanse ba compensate matuka ali aba west aid for all those years na nyoro mwana yomo ni junior school mwalimu yomo atete commit suicide because you bogima borobo kongu aba ali mumbalenga tu abariri because you bogima borobo kongu because you bogima borobo kongu ba commit suicide ba ku depression. Number 2, even don't medical allowance, medical comprehensive medical cover. Serikali ikaruhusu medical cover ya ito. Kaya harusi yoro igatoa comprehensive medical cover inaonye kire bunire baka wadi aoni minet bune company igatoa medical cover. Ebu ata a lot of challenges. Bamanyire kubugata mbugango yekere during the budget making process. Barusi chibe asajile meant for medical cover. Timanye tinga president yete to bara in the social health authority ya agreed. Timanye yani tole in total chaos. Bona ekere comprehensive medical cover tayo nga kitoko kora. Nga itugo chibona. Na kikiri kwa roche mheshimiwa Mboko Miremba wa chairman parliament, he was bleeding with budget committee. Come they please don't touch a budget the education. Moko kune budget the education, ma a budget the internal security ja kunetu. No ekirete. So we can buy guns, we can do anything, but in education lose budget the euro. Nye change nye kei. Promotions. Let me tell you, the promotion in secondary school, it will take 39 years
for a teacher to be promoted.
For 39 years, you might go a chief principal. If we got 13 cadres, ngoteiga umwalimu kera soire school bunu mwalimu ajake secondary school teacher 3 secondary school teacher 2 secondary school teacher 1 omaka ogenda igen tokoroka senior master 4 senior master 3 senior master 2 senior master 1 deputy principal 3 deputy principal 2 deputy principal 1 omaka onda principal omaka ogenda senior principal, then chief principal. Those are the 13 cadres. And each cadre takes a minimum of 3 years. Or might move to the next. So if they are 13.
Na cadre chitoko swa onye turali kuna TSC?
Na cadre chitoko swa onye turali kuna TSC.
Bono yobekirwe miaka 13 internship.
Yobekirwe miaka ebere tarabe kwanza job group. Taraba mwalimu.
Yes.
Taraba mwalimu. Tali graded ya. Tabuga medical cover. Tabuga the job group igare intern kono ogo jagoso maybe ajagere secondary school teacher 3 asabu sene miaka 3 amayako move a minimum of 3 years minimum. How long do you think I served as a secondary school teacher 1? How long did I serve?
Tell us about it.
11 years.
Wow.
11 years before I went for an interview to go to senior master 4. You know, abali mumbalenga boniga vale senior master vale secondary school teacher 1 ekoro kuboniga C3 mbalenga vale bono ba servir for, can I surprise you, 17 years.
Watanya
kuwa promoted. They are in ndi bagoja koru senior master C3 bakoro secondary school teacher 1 bagenda secondary school senior master 4 basabe myaka 3 minimum bagenda senior master 3 senior master 2 senior master 1 3 minimum. Igona bogo sabu aremya abako senior master 4 buna boniga abako senior master 4 buna bona abali ba senior master 4 2021. Can I tell you statistics? In Kisii County, quite a number were given senior master 4. Bone karabako and the senior master 3 ebako ga C5 in 2024. Do you know how many they promoted? 19 in Kisii County.
1 mpaka 19.
19 teachers in Kisii County. Ababande batigarete, they will serve for another 3 years. Ikarbago ja kutangaza promotion. Because no, not having a minimum of 3 years. Aba 19, do you know what? around 10 are due to retire this year. Already 3 have retired. As a teacher, I went to a promotion from senior master to deputy principal, 3 in April. I was stationed in May. I can retire in July. What are we doing? Promotion of teachers skilled. When you got about the backlog, you have about 130,000 teachers. But stagnation. Unsometio mwana aganda public sector, public service commission. Mwana naso in primary school and in secondary school. Ndi ikire. One igale on a higher job group combo. Nikivone kevena TSC era au professionally.
You know, Emambialero, I posted something 1 hour ago. Natebanga teacher strike called off. Government promises to address all concerns raised. I want to read you top 10 comments. Nanyara konyora replies kurwa saba na inchi. Mokayeri kia kontebinga not teachers only. Full stop. You get? The only thing I'm sure of is this government is going to address concern. Is going to address their concerns. Line and dress. Oyakorukunga Alexander, black settler. Simba Kamadau Akontevi, they are the one who voted for this regime. Let them address themselves. Yene Serikali, the part where I said government promises to address teachers concerns as not calls of planned strike. Nara Akontevi, kindly government, please respect teachers. They are the people who made them what they are today. In fact, teachers are good-hearted people. Yani, a teacher will mentor engineers, doctors, all professionals, but just for them to remain class. May God lift up all the teachers. Mwingine akakuja akasema, teacher strike is on. Mimi niko kwa blanketi. Weka tik kwenye tumelala. And people are there over 100. Finally, the government, I wonder, look at the salaries given to the president, governor, senators, MPs, MCAs, even women reps. Sometimes I feel to cry for our teachers. From the environment they work, payment is very low. Look at our teachers who work in some parts of Northeastern. They don't even have even bodyguards yet. An MP in Nairobi has bodyguards for what purpose? Ruto, listen to the teachers. Everyone passed through their hands. It is a mixed reaction this morning with Nat go tenenyo mogirobo. Na ndo kwa tabiringa Nat abate nenetyo mogirobo not because their issues have been addressed, but because they never gave a notice like Kupet did.
Yes.
Alafu, another issue that we're having here, not they have called off their strike, but not etenreta balimu vakeigo. Na mostly va primary. Kupet etenreta va secondary. Your strike is still, in fact, imeanza. Mumeanza saa 6 usiku.
Tumeanza saa 6 usiku. We are going to picket all over the country.
Now, before we go back to the issues, some of the issues, Chiko Geranga Mwachira Somoviroyega, how long have these issues been the point of contention between the Kupet and the government? Maybe, have you tried raising these issues before? Wasembona mwamu wetenga ai able to andike hizi issues chini tupeleke kwa serikali.
Serikali manganaye TSC, TSC, matana employer yaito, igera aware of all these things. Emanyete kabisa. Igobono ebita ibintu bigene. No malia kere egento kya bere raised nkohole serikali chingaki elinde implement. In fact yekero serikali ere chingaki implement is implement yakona yatika yachake bintu binde byao. Bono enough is enough fono koika torabo tige meremo elinde bamanyanga tuarasir. Punda amechoka.
Okay.
Punda amechoka. Na punda akichoka unajua anaweza kupika mateke. Yeah. So serikali address concerns confirm bana bali ba junior school, abali bali ba junior school once. medical cover ya itelia roro ira ni budget ya medical cover the 11 billion arrangement for our medical cover ira ni to clear guideline on promotion of 130 teachers, clear guidelines on the promotions na elinde arafu tuchake bono ko chaka bono ko manyanga bono ntubwata serikali ebwata lichiko ekubwata lichiko lakini bosaigo ebintu nebingo morali una bono omubweka nonde there is no enough of course in junior school there is no enough teachers in senior school osekoliga ichi school chinyinge even popular schools chibwata ba njibwata no administrators kwanyara babekiro mwalimu nasoma bono igase one of the social media social sites cyabalimu omwalimu actually in acting capacity for 3 years as a principal ya school.
Yes.
Emiaketa akipetie school buya school ekoran ebwate population ego perform buya no mana capitation ile go tomgo choro ego tumeka buya. After that batomire principal ngagocho bamotabia and robo deputy because to what job group. Confirm, we were telling them, confirm abalimu aba babwate on acting capacity. If you are acting as a active no more principal, after some years of confirmed. When you active no deputy, after some years of confirmed. Again, one confirmation is teyo. Bagora in the sense that inga tuli job group we bono kwanyara bono abalimu mwalimu maganyo goja stress yaba one school tinta diko mention dantalia ya mwanechi nyinge
just an example
mwalimu was acting with principal o active with principal myaka 3 bamanya kolete principal ndo matengo wana agenda ko debit abanta arwe keroki agio principal abanta konye ba ko address with principal bama dinga acting bono bamanya kolete yende bambe ko bamatenga wana ka debit.
I've seen those stories
egas ne ganda
naro jemega no ne yue kereng koromoro biru witiro tine chintingana some of them have been giving those stories and I know ngaki it might be really hard kunyara koire getambo kerogune kido shidan kan ombano nchiri agotebanga kurwo tanchi goma abo mugacho nyamache bobasi enjoying every moment of the program. I like the interview, thank you so much. Jera kirubo erate gete by the motebi gusengo tumaro mwana emambi skura apatika nyombanga wacha kwanza watoto wakae kwa nyumba
bono akoma tumawaji wesomia
mare listening from Manaba Bahrain Kingdom Nigeria kore kinga kwa yale kwa warali chiburi yao akobolingo gotomo mwana agende gwesomia skuru alafu Joshua Junior goteba koru ekenyoru primary Nyamache town watching you live asante sana nkwaniria balimu abonye muri staff room onye mwagende skuru alafu agotago ntebiga okay don kanumba nonchiri nimeona ujumbe yako. Now I have this friend of mine a very good friend nomo secretary general okupeta okurukwa Abincha Joseph. There was a time he posted this irreducible minimum demand sekere mwalingi kora ligoro yomogiro immediate implementation of phase 2 CBA. I don't know, you're going to tell me much about that. Enhancement of medical cover of the teachers. Egani gatia biri bako tima itiko translate ucheki gusi. Tiganda arabi somege songo. Toma yego translate como morigere dime te maro gate konta bikwale ke gusi asisemi. Okay, now amwata gete medical cover yabo ebe enhanced. I don't know sai bado iko wapi because even teachers about right now they don't have edu afya. Lunch program yokoragre school the feeding program I think it is supposed to leave this time by gayaba bunge gokwanera. I don't know if it is among these go say nabali mu mokwegerera immediate confirmation of all the 46,000 interns ekyongwa kwanera igoro mote interns 46,000 bali kuna aka tayumura events na tebete olikira and by the way there was a conversation last year that ameandika walimu 56,000 amuridhiki na the number of walimu anaandika
umanyete moralizigeri. It was the situation that was compelling Of course, we thank the president than any other regime within a short time. We thank him so much. And we say, Maite, he employed quite a number.
Okay.
Lakini bono nkiba abalimu abatali kulikiru with the law nelichiko.
Okay.
Onye ukokotebanga abalimu lichiko libe Kenya tumentenga
ekero ukwana batari kulikuna lichiko nega kwena ni example oina nawo
abande intani abande school ngo state house yakaganda abalimu bonse balega baron BM terms ko baanda maruwe
waliandikwa
mate president kire akwane lakini Ruto mate nko moda auditore na time nko ngora moda auditore sana because let us not label him a father of lies.
Amtaki kwa mimi Sakayo alisema si wote ni Sakayo. Anyway, employment of more teachers in junior school to curb the deficit of 87,000 teachers.
Okonyole school yemo ya junior school ebwata abalimu semba 3 be serikali bunabona ntware ngokwana narenge no musani no yomo omwalimu Vincent omwalimu iga train tiaga so Kiswahili na Siari lakini mole mugima daga so mi school gali pre-technical and agriculture pre-technical agriculture and then anengo so mi aro science and nejisa
hiyo ndo mmesema competence
ne hondo ko competence
msomelete Kiswahili Siari lakini kurungo so pre-technical agriculture science and automotive engineering inere serikali bonto bwate bonto tabenga abayiboli bali tabona bare metenga abana bale sukuru bagosoma bana bayitongo soma bali gojei there is a lot of chaos in junior school chaos bonna mbono ntomanye dinaki abana bagoja kwenda grade 9 next year there is no law ijikondiyo batanga bagendera gosoma within areas bale domiciled in primary there is another debate egotabanga bagenda to the existing secondary school sikiagera oma oroje onye serikali tebwatiji chikundiyo bakabwata through the CS the late Magoha bakagacha classrooms in secondary school in the existing secondary schools 2 classrooms 3 classrooms 1 classroom depending on the capacity and the size of school bamaya kubata batanga bon chi classroom chiriboni yangi chigokora ngijio bali classrooms they are just like white elephants they are just empty shells njiwa digende chigokora maybe bon chi classrooms chiri chalenga meant for CBC implementation okay that's a debate of another day ntebeiga bono ndoma grade 9 ngai bayoza kwa ngai somera will they still remain in primary as in the comprehensive school or they will go to secondary there is that debate. There is still an issue with the grade 9
obe Kenya yoma etemambi na bebe minister ye cabinet secretary education iko imoka ete banga na tabire all grade 9 students bagenda to the senior schools chirijiro that is all. Na inde bono still ntomanye thing after ba kolera matam after ba kolera matam grade 9 junior school ba kwenda senior school matam abago cha koranga kiakale placement thing kiakale no law ichikondi we are just working like that let's move bana ba itambale school they are in senior school koso amigo bale let our parents bagenda in those schools barorenga chaos yaro bone serikali the employee abalimu baisaine in those schools onye babekirabo baye domicile elinde abana baitona libarasomi.
Immediate confirmation of delayed promotions of 130,000 as acting deputies appointment.
Imagine 130,000 teachers stagnated. Nagotaya about the stagnation nagotaya igoro ya abalimu ba on acting capacity let them give them job groups and confirm them anyo mwalimu on acting capacity lakini nkiko bekero mwalimu ole for example abalimu bale si doko baruka C3 secondary school teacher 1 ngabona aron acting capacity ne debut umwalimu yaganye da abe senior master 4 senior master 3 maybe senior master 2 senior master 1 amaka debut principal 3 lakini umwalimu okwanya na tenenere the school omuntu no lio bona ji bureaucracy jibale chiri anda evento kende na ende toko gomera evento ngere serikali ya leta in in the last dispensation gekoro kukalia progression guidelines bono negeli sosioni ari kurwanerera about scheme of service kalia progression ye ya stagnate ria bari mbobe pi bontaira isi koba ya administrator omwalimu okoli goja goikera ngobere administrator tali rais kiagera bono kalia progression guidelines chiri chiko na gota 39 years okoiroma ko chief principal timaiti ko senga abantu ngokora balemere mo 39 years. The maximum you can do is 35. Yeah.
Now, immediate reinstatement of free secondary school capitation funds that were reduced to 17,000 from 22,244 per learner.
Ekinda yatantawega. Abalimu chi principal chire chiarangere tia abalimu chi school chiko kwa haja abalimu. Egento bunekyo egego rwanerera principals of schools. In the year 2023, the schools in Kenya, each school was owed by the government 12,000 shillings. 12,000 each school. This year, as a owed the schools a lot of money to previous years. Bono mwaka ogo change kwanyora chibasa chiri cho mwaka oli mbatometi. Buna bata atomete na ande bono mwacha batome jini. Bono usinyukumanya echi mwatoma. Ne balance ya last time wose ne cho mwaka oyo. Wana serikali ya tanga tuatomere chibasa. Ne njiri chichi mwatoma. Lakini otenga education sector ever managed by professionals. Bono maite tubata chaos from everywhere. From the cabinet secretary no mwanajeshi na bago jabe minister ya education. But no musigali last time mutu abwate DC. You don't know musigali. A minister of education. In fact, the former minister for education. Dr. Chaos. The last time the last time tu abwate mwalimu as a minister education ngakia Matiang'i. How ngakibono qualitative interviews na minister jina. Matiang'i was perfect. Nakikwa roje jenzi baba dango mungano litikaje tomo president. Because ya rengi Matiang'i no mwalimu. You have the class menyanya high school. Akamanya kogenda kajiwa advance na hamanye tenga kiakola education. Tokalata rumago. He led the ministry with an iron fist. Mwenye gitari ya Sajon. Koruabu to kanyara monto ki next. Modisi. Modisi. Koruabu to kanyara monto ki wani katobugata. Lawyer. Bono Kenya is not short of teachers and let the government.
Walipita kwa mikono ya walimu and they understand what teachers do.
Walipita kwa mikono ya walimu lakini hawakuwa kuwa walimu. Hawakuwa kuwa managers wa walimu. That is why Matiang'i was a perfect education minister. Because he went into classroom, akabugiriwa kengere, akakora extra duties chitoko. Banyang tiango tabi karena chita last time, tinyo tiko sendi, tiko senaiga. Nyanga tabi tiga. In fact, school Jones picha Kenya jibanda kwa jide school. Wasaba ali bali wako boarding schools, ba kanu chiba extra choko. Mwalimu wa boarding, mwalimu wale wako boarding school tiango tabi ni chaos. Ekiagera obo kesa mapema obo kiabana abana abo make sure be sibiri over saddle by the time mwako enda mwawe prepare oche oro oichiche wande lessons chiao okole all those things bali ba okora oira abana games oira abana drama oira abana music oira no ira abana osaddle abana aba onse go prepare lessons chia mambi oyo muntu oyo is a workaholic person. Ama to mwalimu bweka na rotali ko makeli nga waigire school. Mwalimu ama tenga nimbate lesson saa moja like in my school. We start our lessons saa moja. By saa moja abalimu speak na wale school. Bako so. Lakini go to public sector. Saa tatu ndio nyoro muntu ago ikobisi. Na nyoru mwalimu tayo ko nyoro saa tatu utali school. Dage bono muntu buno yomo leadership okugambira bali tike sector yabalimu ebe led na balimu we would have a very good country oroje Matiang'i na maitenga ncheka na lengo mwalimu ni manyete nga cheating yamatemu yakokorerwa at this point. He eliminated the cheating because he knew very well nga cheating ego happen. Bono ntabi olete umuntu bwebunduki umuntu lawyers by the way lawyers once people bamenyeta drama. It is drama. They're acting.
So as we are speaking right now, you don't have even belief on the new CS Julius Migosi.
Tigatora mo benefit of doubt. Toro na kolemero.
Now, pera na somo hilo wabalimu.
Eba.
Gazeti ya The Daily Nation eyabwate chibicha chaborokibwa kuruhase chiskuru au. They are like, this is our plea. Manipata. They are like, the KCSE candidates are urging the government to solve the pay dispute, to avert the tutors strike as the event-packed third term begins today. This is as the two main teachers' unions are split on the industrial action. The rift emerged last evening when NAT withdrew its notice just hours after Kuppet had voted to endorse the boycott. Now, don't you feel wanafunzi, the form 4s?
Morally John. Yani olenga ngatimbu atimwana sukuru na njole form 4. We have kids. We are parents. Tunaba ivoli. Ntobugata abana baito, ntobugata abana ba minto, ntobugata we onyabantu bale banchete ege mirimo yabo nabali. We love our work. Ntobugata abana abali baito bones. Mbabwati abana baiboleti. Nabana bambale school. We are feeling for them. I actually munandega you feel thing over the whole day na prepare kingo somia third term. Kingo prepare abana candidates for the forthcoming exam. Lakini bono dingo nyare kiagara serikali tenge tima singira yo ndai korondware nka inko genda. Ege ndobuna na minute it is chaos. Yani serikali bwate chaos. Last time muntu alawe temine tuenda tuarali uketi areji. Governor ya Kisii anengo mwakirambi ya mono allowed KTRH go to Ruali through our insurance. Do you know how long it took for insurance work on KTRH? Yani baga assume it is normal. And the KTRH had to withdraw service at some point. Ega withdraw service gotoa. Bono ngende skuru ndu alenka inguchi. Oko ganda nyagitali ko ngota bungano kwa comprehensive medical cover. We kanyagitali wata bunga bono go ikeraga iga chibese cyawo cyari. Bwango go mwari monde nanda nyagitali akatabunga chibese cyawo cyari reganya sasta yabo tuko elinde nanda to make another pre-auth. Kose yani chaos yere education sector ogokumi. Go bono unto feel ti abana baitu. Abana baitu we are fearing for them but rende to sabanyasai. Ikiagara nyasai nero mubuyo byons as believers. Elinde ala de solution asa mangana yons. Abana baira ne skuru baito abana bali na baito bons elinde baso.
Dingani tunyari gukwanira ne mono. Yes, you feel these students momete na abana baino ntogani kumanya igoro ya measures muranyare kobeka timonyara go disrupt mo no schedule abana baiga because it will be onye moko genda ngeti wiki bere umugiro na moenda no mutienyo yo momoko irana it will be a lot of time go kave syllabus especially school. Unajua school nchilo toma ito already baraba ko syllabus badabu revision vale but there are some schools bado they have not met the target bako syllabus bacha revision vale gani abana bego cha sama temu ekera sige komina kabere. Also there is the part of negotiation and resolution. Ningani komanya so far is there any government official onyadre go stretch hand which is Morava having a let us sit and talk or make contact have you tried to make contact with the government and maybe are you willing to take in the resolutions to strike maybe a deal whatever is going to happen because the other day a month or two ago KMPD but right now just speaking around 11 counties already varalio mogiro KMPDU that they have not been paid. So are you willing to resort to come up with a resolution that is going to resort into ending the strike? Ayunega tialindaga nikomanya tokorwa senseme indi studio nataka turaenda senseme indi studio asa kunyara wakana bills 1 to 3 alafu tokwira na sitida ikabire chioka ntonyari kwira na sengambo yaito tonyari guchakira gabo imi studio nigo mubwate omokonyi bo munyakerogo ase ekyombe gya kupetoro sagya rwagusi Mr. Samuel Maticha abwasogenda to kwandrigoro yomogiro bwabalimu oyo oraliri bene ochakire erotebiro chakire ritkori rero nche koro kujuan kwamboka director Mtonga Kenya neto kubwatana na nere kurasa nsamendi studio 0768 719 470 nere namba yesimi studio nyara gontomera maboli ino nicho nyara ko yabori kegima iri munyara konyora amaira nerio kurwase o mwalimu regega ase studio nende ore omorai asobistagero kupet Notore live Facebook, buna Kisi TV, YouTube, buna Kisi TV. Nyara kutubwatia, wekali swali yao, ni nyari kulira ni vya seka getari getambe tosuka. Egan Kisi TV, amandegere iyo mugusi umorabero, nenyoni.
Kisi TV, amandegere yumugusi.
From the heart of Africa, where dreams are born and passion is boundless, a new wave of talent rises. In La Liga, these extraordinary athletes are not just playing the game, they're transforming it.
¡Estamos aquí, somos campeones!
Danny Rodriguez, the man chasing, it's Lamine Yamal! What a magnificent goal that
They
is!
shine on the world stage. Watch as they redefine football, inspire millions, and make history. La Liga, where dreams become reality.
Kisi TV, amandegere yumugusi.
Lazaon Hotel no mubagani ogutoka imyomo chobosongo asora gende kwegokia na kuriendagiriri wanchetekegima ase amagoriense mono. Lazaon Hotel nigebwate obokoreri au egatiabo a reception aso kwegwa obokoreri gose obokonyi bonde bwansi oraganye bobate jikoni ase bakoroseria chindagira chingiya echyo kwegwa ase amagoriense mono. Boigomba bwate eba gose ensemo yo kwegokeria asogotegerera amatera maya amo nebinyuwa au mkonya bale omubagani oyo gaboigo no bwate a boardroom ase ogokorera mikutano y'abantu abake na boigo mbwate a conference hall ase emikutano y'abantu abange egokoreka. Lazan Hotel ne bwate chinyomba choboraro echo chire chisize au na bono chibwate eofa ase metenyebere gocha ase chirabeiga chinyomba cha executive quality nigo chiagweriria magori yabo korwa chiribu isano nemo weka chiribu isano deluxe quality na chirecho kogweria amagori yabo korwa chiribu nye na 500 weka chiribu isato na 500 standard quality voigo kogweria rigori ryabo korwa chiribu isato na 500 weka chiribu bere na 500 inyuranga ase chinyombe chiga chionsi nigo kwegwa breakfast gose endagira ya mambia voigo oinyorenga eofe yeiga nigero ase metenyebere yoka. Lazaon Hotel ne wate omobagani ndomo kego se a branch ekorokwa Lazaon Annex Hotel eyoboigo ebwate e hotel amonensemo yokwego kya ase amagori endagira amone binyugwa arensemono buigo ne wate chinyomba choboraro echo chibwate eofa yemekenyebere echokonyora ase siringeri bweyemo yuka echo chagure korwa eribweyemo na 500. Lazaon Annex Hotel nigo egotoka angina Lazaon Hotel ase junction ya Nyangongo ase para ya Kisi Nyamira Highway. Nyokabo nyore obokoreri obiyekugima na kwegokia ase rigoriense mono. Asamange bakirisimi wetrase number 0705935500. Lazaon Hotel for quality foods and services.
Kisii TV amandegere y'umugusi.
Twatire kuma maine twatire kuma Geni Uhuru maine otire kuma Geni Uhuru maine otire kuma Uhuru Superstores.
Uhuru Superstores neduka egotoka imemo chokisi eyo egokoneria ebinto au oragani asenka yao ase amagoria insemono. Uhuru Superstores nigebwate ebinto byo tumeka nyomba bunabono obosibwe chitabati bwe brand au eskari amabuta y'ekingeni obosibwe korugera kisabuni amabere nebinto binde evinge boigonko ne bale ebinto byo kwagachira bunabono amabati y'eki brand au buna MRM na dumu amabati y'ekikala au ayo agwa ase e warranty emyaka 5 nebere goika emyaka 15 na boigonko ne bale esimiti ko ne bale deformed bars chitanki cha mache chi size au MSMari crown paints nebinde evinge. Uhuru Superstores boigon korentra bari amoyo obotumeka asomogondo ayore DAP urea CAN boigo chimbusuro cha Kenya Seed boigon konya bari
aye nsibere binde bibwangu bangororaje mongi nona byakanyete para nanda na bako chenje gari by the way aya yere ko Uhuru Superstore igeka nori tiburi agorire ayo muntu uri obwate biasara by the way nabono kamati yano imote byatege bintu byegiosi kinobirega bionde bichungu nzima aya yere ko Uhuru Superstore nande libori
asa mange batare aseduka yabo imemo chobo songo ase amagacho a Uhuru Complex angende roundabout ya gitari ya General gose KTRH barabare nebengi ya Credit Bank gose obakire simi goitrase namba 0111161 na boigo na bokubarikira email otomase info@uhurusuperstores.com gose customer care@uhurusuperstores.com boigo na bogotara website yabo ya www.uhurusuperstores.com. Uhuru Superstores, guaranteed quality products at the lowest prices.
Eye Kisii TV amandegere y'umugusi.
TV ogendera ko bwate morobero bwenyoni mambi ya rero karibu tunyara kugendera gusanga asobwamo mu studio ni goto kwanira igoro yo mugiro wa bari mu yo nyarire korari go chaka bene kuri rero kuri ndo kumusanana no butaigwane gati ya nata mona kupe twanyarire koreta chitangu gati ya boro kigwa ambo na bari abaibori anene mona nakionda tebe maybe to some point teachers understand what they are doing what where to stand but uchia saba ibori amona boro kigwa negati ya tu bunanchega kwenye twatwalira magori nat njate netyo mogirobo but kupeti agenda no mogirobo what is going to happen, what is the solution itakiri kunyara gotoka, and that is why it kolia rero mi studio mobate Mr. Samuel Maticha mo vice chair kupet asoro sagero si togendra to kwanira igoro yo mogiro iga bwa bari muti sababu chabara kugenda so mogiro tutatokoligenga is there a solution era nyara gotoka gose is there any way banyara kurobiro mogiro iga egere banyara ko minimize disruption yechisemi ase etamoiga ya gatatu because emerobiro au nero ebekire karibu sana asinsemo ya nkwana ya itemambi ya lera spogendra kugamba ase studio Brian Mofat nimekuona wote it is Kisii TV representing Caleb Zedekia from Gesima watching live. Thank you so much. Karibu na inde tugendra kusanga asobwamo
biamano
yes
biamano moralia gentu wakora ngil twa tabanga aba nki meka kati kitwa bekire you know yogo koromo mo giroyo gabwemeremo ndatabenga eserekali nero ya rangeretie nero ya garate strike tie sinero ya garate strike ekaba ego chaka already by the way already ya chaka abali mwaro already out in the streets.
Solidarity forever.
Yeah, we already
natafuta saida soli ya leo.
Already abali mu street bali bona igaba natoko kwana. Bona ntata vega.
Yes.
It is still the government TSC okoromo mo giro wemeremo e president ya ordete TSC e karanse na balimu e address mangana yonsi ipi ngibata yo kolera kiagere president yero ja kwanete asa declaration nga TSC karanse na balimu mokoreki muigwana bona it is TSC e korangeli representatives baito baligereria binte byonsi ipi ipengere byonsi ipi elinde representatives baito ba national office barangeli na national governing council katabenga ntwagambe tena serikali
Yes.
toka aseke confirmation of junior school teachers bagata toka iwanaiga amangana promotion of teachers 130,000 teachers toka iwanaiga amangana comprehensive medical cover ya balimu toka iwanaiga amangana ye employment of new teachers toka iwanaiga amangana acting deputies and principals toka iwanaiga tu gardu arde bone binte bina ande beteka vote it had to take a vote igoro ko iwana nga abalimu ba it had to take a vote ya national governing council ko iwana nga togenda omogomo otherwise out of the national governing council only 2 no bata then togenda omogomo 68-434 this strike so again the national governing council members barangeli kubaka toigwana naki baigwana bona ngantoigwana lebinte batso menge bintu toigwana neke elindo mugiro koreki obe called off we go back to our normal routine yosomia bana baitu.
Now let us go to negotiation and resolution. Ordinaro kuruasi serikali onyare ko make contact na inu kupetanya ko batevinga relax. We are thinking about you. We have plans. We promise to settle this.
No.
And maybe, are you willing to reach to a resolution without resorting to a strike?
Sorry?
Maybe muraba time. More willing koreira na maiga kidogo mubatevinga. Okay, nduta yitoko chako mo virolero, but we are willing to buy wiki yiga munyare gukwana kende. Onye muri uchi gukwana basi.
Amate a process yomugiro. A process yo jawikiranga bono ntoligo kora ntoligo nkogo matole. Omogo mama tokogire meremo ne last resort. Processes change to a called to arangira on the table. Ngoiwana doron this. Ngoiwana ngoko boro. Na kina go tabelinga strike is not all about the salaries. It's all about Babua Drijiko. Babua Drijiko on Nebinte, we talk to a one. Every day, winter, we come. Ngia serikali TSC takere dekora abalimu kienyeji just like that gende grasimi mosomi to bakana bina totagete to abamo ndete nkomo bwekana pono iga sector ya Kenya sector change picha Kenya ekero kwa wengo monto ayure promotion ngie oja nakyo ngie oja nakyo salary increment that is normal practices. It is only the TSC where a C4 teacher I got promoted to C5, it must have reduced. Is that professional or unprofessional? Yani, I have examples. I have payslips here. Told in a solid state. I was earning this amount of money. After getting a promotion to the next cadre, but I reduced my salary by about 3,000. Oh no. TSC as of when together managed na professionals. No any police service commission to go to civilian was a month on the ones go anywhere or mobile car police service commission. Was it Guanya Koromu Alimu Korusu, Ajiko Kora Law Society of Kenya? Was a judicial service commission? Ndugu the law society of Kenya. Kwa Koromu Alimu ayandanga wana umalimu wana. Goikora abe lawyer. Omanyako gochoru in the judicial service commission. One teacher service commission, they can choose anybody. Okay, and DSI headquarters in different departments, you can get all sorts of people there. teachers. Professionally, we are professional body.
Now, bado ase negotiation and resolution. Omutinyo gatana harimo gatana na kabere abasaye mbasoka sana ba Gen Z bakarobekana. They wanted accountability from the government. But it got to a point I can say they were compromised. Right now watu wako kwa serikali ni watu ya ODM and it is bringing tension. Now, Kuppet, are there chances that you can be compromised? Some few people basoke, some few malls pale waende watu wale meeting na serikali, they call off the strike, mbaki nusu. Wengine wako mgomo, wengine wako kazi.
Ntongo saba national officials na wako gambo na behalf, let them remain steadfast. Lakini umanyete national officials bali ikomi mbako koro off mgomo boka. Kuikabarange the National Governing Council, all the 47 secretaries from the branches plus other members kisi ya ikatutuma bantu babere our representatives ganda in the National Governing Council na isako bange serikali yanjira ne address these demands. What the national office will do no korangle the National Governing Council. The National Governing Council ba vote batenga bana karo mwale bintebi moroja serikali ne bwata good intentions but yes now they call off the strike together buna bayira angere tina ende igoro bare amo the National Governing Council igoro muna bayira angere bare amo na ande baye kole bare amo lakini boka igai kominga na wao ikaranja tanga tuwana ndega kai mwiwana ner so let them remain steadfast and we move as a no nyejenisi there are some gains out of those demonstrations. At least in Toru Divosa, Toru di zero P. Though abandoned by Jeda Baka compromised, like in the end, at least there was some gains, some gains in Japan. Ekibuli get to Alakorase, some members of the Kenya Kwanza government.
Walisalimiwa sasa hivi
Mbamba kuona tu sasa hivi hiyo kibuli imepungua. Sasa hiyo matanyendri kibuli kalikia gaendera ta kanganga itole Kenya wana. At least there is something happened. And we believe that out of this industrial action we have taken, something is going to come out of it.
Now, the difference between Gen Z and Kuppet, the Gen Z, they were leaderless, they were fearless, and they were partyless. Now, with Kuppet, they have a party, Kuppet. They have leaders. How confident is Kuppet going to stand for those teachers? When you ameamua sisi tuko Kuppet, tunasimama na Kuppet, hatutaenda kazi, you are going to stay at home. There are consequences zitakuja after. Maybe hawatalipwa, maybe some will be sacked, maybe whatever that is coming. How confident are you that you are going to stand with those teachers?
Abalimu wanavata choleta. Nekara vata choleta, tobe they are representatives. Tuwabata eviri, mbaba sako gande meremu. So we are confident that the confidence here ba bwata asitole ko bara. Naende tuwabata eviri, naende ndo wasa malinga, ngo guera bale guidelines chitoko baanga. Let us remain at home or kwa maandamano mpaka serikali eigwe okogania kwa balimu. Lakini bono maite asema ngana ya revolution ego take place with changes few can suffer. Lakini omwali oye ensakoleki emenye ebebuye. Again against the odds buna generation Z ya renge but abarenga leaders. That is why after Ruto reconstituted the serikali yae, he did not include them. Because the president was saying, where are you Tokwana? Ndora nkingoba bakamotai, we are leaderless, we are partyless. In this life, we konyo romonto kokwana nero address demands. Toko gamba na bantu bali bonsi pe population ilionsi people na bara kota banga toga ndegeti tokwana ro tanto then the president
has been working,
but the president went to X space
town hall.
Those are a few representatives bacha already bakagenda gali he went to X space still bakamasomera ro bakamate we are leaderless partyless mbago benefit from this government. So the government went ahead Raila bunare aga minyoka yabwanga aka negotiate ya bantu bae akaire jimini suji chinana
Okay.
So mnajua maandamano ya Kenya, Wajaruo ndio wanajua kuandamana sana. Ndio bwana roje ba withdraw ile. Banda wanya ku withdraw. Mombasa wa withdraw ile. Kakamega wa withdraw ile. Wana moja kutigara inumwe. So again the magosa ba korata jeni zibali kangamba toward their representatives. Ba ko negotiate on their behalf. Like Kenya gaiga bari mu bonsi pimba we kero monta we kwanera. Kero monta go je kwanera bintu bia. E ba go kwana whether they are elected representatives. Na inje muna elected representative ndega I am speaking on behalf of teachers because of the powers they gave me to be their leader. So na intu to gachora bali bago to kwana to gachora out of the 47 county leaders to gachora bali bago kwana with the government in Nairobi kiaranje ni gaiganda.
Okay.
Bona I'll wait ngimwataba ngimwe wana ndegako to wana igana ba vote through the energies na gege we implement it. Nani we expect aba na bara implement. Toko taba mambi na maandamano toko anda ugembo togenda. Maandamano toko na Nyamarambe togenda. Maandamano toko na Nyamira tochi. Igo.
Well, now eyigangu chese bali bamwire ko bategerera bali bagenda amandamano and there are those maybe baroba teverenga njabangana yakupete kare kwana tindoje egera muzaro ne to chende manti byansambire. What are the consequences guchesa bali mu bali bamwire ICC yakini kama tutaenda mugomo? Anyway, yes, kitu wanapigania ni mzuri. They are fighting for rights, lakini mimi sitaenda maandamano jameni. Let me just go to class ama niende nyumbani nikao. Are there any consequences for those teachers?
We don't expect because again the Tokokora it is anchored in the law. Lichi ndituanjerete to do what we are doing. Anambende serikali matenja the rock in 2015. September 2015 no salary. Tokanyaji pay slip 000. We stayed for 3 months, no salary, but at least there were gains. So there is no gain without pain. Yeah. Wanyana agara waje gasiga, ulijinyima usingizi,
Kabisa?
ukakuja kazi for you to gain. Umole miochete magondo, igeri nete vinte vinge. No monto liyo kominyoka, or break the world record. That is there is a lot of pain in that. So there is no gain without pain.
Now, again, on the broader context, bono yomogiro yoigo, maybe nakura nyarego compare omogiro previously, no maiguana ine serikali na omogiro this time. Maybe previously mwakoliro omogironde and did the government come out and address your issues, and how different is it this time? And is there hope maybe?
In 2011, you mogirori whatever.
Yes.
You go let the take into the harmonization of salaries. Aba rimu eba lewa kanu mosaro renge nsemono than other sectors. Lakini aseboniga aba rimba libale job group the same. Eba buga to mosaro renga ine. The only difference in area about the allowances. Ojo still to about allowances, house allowance, commuter allowance, leave allowance, special some special allowances. Mata bari mu kana sector yoka etariwa kanu overtime. We work for overtime, but we are never paid. So
Nyinyi nani anaomba mkuje morning preps? You think kana siku nataka kuamka?
Kuja all days weekends we are in school.
Ikiwa ni PE mtu wache tuende PE. We kukuja na chemistry na maths.
We are in listen, we are in school maybe at 6. And after games at 4 grab bandage take the gender wakandaka to duty, maybe remedial teaching 6 to 7 at night the boarding teachers no wale ended there bana. So we work extra times but we are never paid for the extra work. You want to another harmonization of house. For example, again don't get to talk about harmonize house allowance. You know, in some municipalities and cities, ngwaka vale some special house allowance ya bali some municipality and cities. Lakini nabako nyoro mwalimu wao in a municipality, lakini amenyete rural area. Nabako ndoko nyoro wao rural area, nabako nyoro mwalimu wao sameta muino amenyeta Kisii town. We also said harmonize house allowance. Even to ne binge TSC era aware to balikere babwana to address. Bono ekara compare district chirichia go chimaega ne chabono, at least there have been an improvement. There have been an improvement in 2012. It brought about harmonized salaries. In 2016, we had salary increment. Salary increment out of that strike. And the Korulidia, because intimidation, intimidation started the Alengembe. The president, the current president, the current deputy president, in fact, what were AEO to tawafunza lesson. You know, that was an insult, which is so more Kenya. So, like we can say, there was gains, nonye serikali ya beta adamant, nonye KNUT ya tajere tunze, still there were gains chiabet. Bono iga, ntora akora mogomo ole outstanding from that time. This is another time when we have an industry action against serikali. So we believe and we know that at the end of the day, naonye employer waitoka aligora lio moteigoro, baada atashuka, tuongee, tuelewane, tuhudumie inchi yetu. This is our country. We are patriotic Kenyans. Even to nebinge to TSC when to address on us. Nkoro ke pesi ripiana, igora enge booklet. Mara deductions, mara NHIF, mara Provident Fund, mara what, mara NSSF, mara socio nini ameleta atakuja kukata 2% of my salary, socio health insurance fund. Atakata 2%. That means our salary will still reduce. Good mara housing revenue neregavu. Yani bono a lot of things. Bono medical allowance, we lost it. It went to Onminet. The teachers are saying we have NHIF, we have Onminet. Why don't you amalgamate the two? A social insurance scheme offer comprehensive medical cover. But we know I'll come back to this studio again. God gives us grace. Amen. I'll come back and tell you out of the window this is what the government priority
All right, asante sana. Tumepiga saino wate hivyo lilinde kucha somo geni itoli tukolia rero. Sto kwande guriyo mogero bwe abalimu oyo ochakire bene litukolia rero. Nemo nasa abalimu bali balense inse yeri ya buli eri ya kupet. Of course notore live Facebook. Astogo toka buna KCTV 0768 719 470. Nere namba yesimi ye studio. I've misplaced simu ya studio. But ndasoma hizo ujumbe zenu. Ase getari getambe. Now, hata Gen Z walitoka, ilifika wakachoka, because now it is like their hopes were sabotaged in one way or another, na pia body fatigue and everything. Maybe from the Kupet side, maybe if the strike proceeds, wenye mshaanza na iendelee, maybe how long are you prepared as Kupet to maintain the action? For how long ndo mmeka like a target, ikifika by tarehe serikali itakuwa imesikiza?
In 1997, walimu waligoma for a long time. In 2015, pia walimu waligoma muda mrefu. Still we are prepared to go as long as the government addresses our concerns. Isa ku address rero.
Where? Mumemaliza mugomo.
Erangelia our leaders rero. What the leader by one, our leaders will call the NGC. Will meet tomorrow. By what Nairobi butuko. Bana Nairobi batabanga studio kwende serikali address our concern. Bono let us go back. We'll go to class tomorrow. Maambi sambiri na to class.
If your needs are met.
Yes. Walimu matana bantu about the discipline. If our demands are not met, and abaiboli bairira abana school. Me, I'm not taking mine.
Oh.
And abalimu bairira abana abaiboli bairira abana school. Tokonyara go keep abana school onye balimu bayi. Tokonyara boarding teachers mbayo, class teachers mbayo bako balisi nobody cares. Ngagyo keep abana school jinde cheito wewe jibata abana libutatu hao. Bamuna ikaranze class imetali ko soma. There will be chaos at the dining hall, chaos in assembly, chaos in the dormitories, chaos everywhere. So that back on the school, but back when insist some of the principles, what I insisting, my principle, one man but in dilemma. But it's a country, it didn't come. Don't know, to principle co work under the ministry and under TSC. A ministry might then get in Tabana, Neji buildings. Pono in a county, Okanaran to have the same thing. But then we have the county director of our ministry, the county director TSC. I made these people on your Montoya, Martin and Nere, Chisukuru, Chitana, Havana, and Gregan. One on your county director TSC, Okwaneg, county director of education, Nere, which is one principal ya school, a ministry ya Romaite, Gasia, Abana, Namachanga, ministry ya Matavi, Igola school. One house, the ministry go sab, was a single sab, no union yet. But it all have even our principals that support him gom, but na we open a bit mono. Even the Baba as a capitation yabo in time. Na we were benefit. One you got to go school. Do you know when the principals will receive capitation? When I'm going So I think if the Kingo Tawanga is record, is to address our concerns,
now, you are saying, Esrakali, address issues channel on Yaboniga.
We will be in class tomorrow.
Mwachire school.
Yeah.
What is the ideal deal? The ideal deal, like ile yenye mnasema hii wakieka tick sisi tumerudi shule. Of course they won't meet all the targets that you want. Kuna kale ka keki you like mmejiambia tunapenda Black Forest but vanilla pia ni sawa. What does your ideal deal look like? Elimu kwa kama tebe kesho walimu saa 6 ikichelewa kabisa mkwe class.
Pesa itulipe ile yenye president alipeana.
Okay.
JSS were confirmed.
The interns or the teachers?
The interns. Intern teachers were confirmed. Na medical yetu.
Full stop. Sisi tumeenda shule.
Yeah, we'll let them start with those.
All right.
JSS was MSI, we have confirmed them. Your medical scheme, your medical iko ready na hiyo ingine nilisema. Tutakuwa shule. Lakini bosa iko ngawano dogo jako baka no mushahara bweko. One is omaito mushahara bweko president yako dakareke maambie kwa neke. You know our country is funny. Juzi niliona president oko igore para already agandate kwa gacho. Ya ito tuka le president Uhuru Kenyatta kara lenge president. Aronje die pare ye kai igoro ya gacho. Na ganda rata. Chi contract ka ganda. And the president came back to igore pare ngawona igore para.
Well,
the drama nyinge dimeti kwa sasa ngenjo maybe lawyers mgosabera mwano ito nkagaiga the new CS Julius Migosio gamba yasa mobo ngaini elinde as a ministry education amata bagusiba manyira n'abantu bako bakora high ministry education ebuye nagiakora any incoming president nagiakora akora ye chinsonga gusinga abagusiya bangba maete kora education ara kwe ministry ebuye no bongaini elinde nera basa gutumia comedy era serikali kunyanyasa abalimu na kunyanyasa education sector.
Now, leo tutakuwa wapi sisi walimu?
Tayari walimu washaingia street. Vile naongea hivi.
Okay.
Vile naongea hivi. In the next 10 minutes naungana na wao tuendelee na maandamano yetu. Tayari walimu washaingia street. Wako huko wanaendelea, wameanza picketing. Yeah.
Well,
tukimaliza hapo tutaenda DSC tuambie our county director na county director ministry, county director TSC tumuambie you are our employer, atuendi shule. I tell our CEO Madam Nancy Macharia to call for a meeting with our union officials to end this strike, failure to which shule zitakuwa bila walimu.
Mwaroki wanaro kuligereti gaiga umwiburi naro kuligereti na umwalimu naro kuligereti Nseyo Rusagerwa Kupet wapate ujumbe yako ya mwisho.
Abaibuli ngo batebya bagandira gusabira abalimu talinga tuangeta abana into na abaibuli tole abantu bangete abalimu ne mbroya yaitu immediately go address our concern, we will go back. Omwana Kenya, omwana ondigereti ngotebana ki our students know that we love you and we wish you well in everything. That is why we always wake up very early to be in school to serve you. But the government that is our employer is not doing good to us. Remain at home. We will, after the strike is over, you will be informed that teachers have resumed duty. To my colleague teachers, let us come out today in the streets of Kisii town, those who are near here, to picket and demonstrate against this government. Number two, those who may not make it to Kisii town, please, vile jitu alikota kama tulivyokuwa tunasema wakati wa COVID, remain at home.
Okay.
Remain at home, linde paka matakwa ya walimu yamekuwa addressed.
Okay. Oyo kwe.
Yes.
It is a wrap up for me. Mungwana naro korokwa Kuntu, and maybe you were once a sports teacher.
MC Kuntu. Yeah.
Yes,
that's
MC
my
Kuntu.
That's my friend.
Yeah.
Yes.
He told me I say hi.
I was once a sports teacher. Imagine I was a referee for football, soccer. I was a referee for volleyball, and I've done all those things.
Anasema my teacher was the sports some days back, Nyakembe Secondary.
Yeah, I was at Nyakembe Secondary.
Alikuwa pale Umoviri High School, the neighbor school. Anasema say hi.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Sports zilienda as expected?
We never performed well as a county, but congratulations to Nyagichenche.
Yes.
They're ambitious. Nyagichenche from Ucha South. It represented the country in girls rugby in the East African Championship.
Nyagichenche wana wanyaruka kabisa wanafanya hivi.
Rugby sevens.
Hey.
They represented the country. Those are the only representatives for Kisii County. I know in ball matches it's Tabuangoiga. Though there are other representatives in other areas like athletics. We have our students from Kenya Sub-County, that is Keberesi, and in some other schools. So congratulations to those representatives. Like in football, tulinyoroswa in kwa regionals, and hatukufanya vizuri, lakini as a county we were proud to host regional sports for term 2 and the national. I think nabagusiba ito they enjoyed abagania bange ko basito gaiga. And congratulations to our school, Kadnotunga High School Mosocho, for the host Kisii High School, Kisii School, and congratulations to our governor who ensured that we host. Actually,
you were worried about the stadium.
We were right. Jogo Host Stadium. Kumbe
Yeah.
kumbe najua hii nyasi imepandwa mwezi wa 6.
Yes, samba hapo.
Na imemea hapo na tumetumia stadium.
Nseyo mwando na
Nseyo mwando na ere.
Yes.
So our leaders, congratulations, we love you. Our principals, Principal Kisi School, Chief Principal Cardinal Tunga, for hosting and making us proud. The sports fraternity leadership led by our secretary, Pananyantika, congratulations for hosting, for your organization and hosting a national extravaganza.
All right.
Yes.
But you know, as much as Mbapo Pometibia say Chigosori, our time is soon. Indo ile term tunaonyesha watu dust ikifika KCSE. So I hope mutamaliza mgomo mapema, mubwata abana abakoboko, so that by the time next year Julius Ogambago tenenari go tebanga this year the performance wacha sasa tuonyeshe mu usino muntu mungaini. Yes. So thank you so much Asokunyara Wacha.
Thank you very much.
We hope that your issues will be addressed. Walimu wote, we hope that your issues will be addressed this morning. Mukitaka watu wa kuimba Solidarity Forever backup, kindly talk to me 07.
Well, I have your number. Let's go be in the right gear. Then we be there.
Safi.
Yeah.
Thank you so much mwanchongo ligererio KCTV so kunyara gusanga na cheko rupwa chagete chinsai komine ibere chamambia Clinton Ondigi, thank you so much nere twalenge na ere of course pakarit kuliankyo na inde director Mtonga Kenya, the marathon runner mrefu umeona akifanya kazi mzuri hapa making sure the audio iko sawa, the pictures iko sawa kabisa. Thank you so much. Na hiyo ligererio KCTV maintain na mimi tangu 6 in the morning paka boniga. Wacha tuende maandamano tafadhali. Is that wrap up? Thank you so much.
Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever.
Bye-bye.
Solidarity forever. For the union makes us strong. Alafu tunamalizia Kupet power.
Okay, power. Hata kama siko huko mimi niko
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Thank you.